Throughout this week, I'd like to offer reflections and meditations in the form of prayer on a variety of different topics. We're now in the season of spring. I invite you to just look at the image that's on your screen, to listen to this poem that really sounds like a prayer by Ralph Waldo Emerson, and to thank God for the new life and beauty which spring brings us. The title of this poem is For Flowers That Bloom. For flowers that bloom about our feet, for tender grass, so fresh, so sweet, for song of bird and hum of bee, for all things fair we hear or see. Father in heaven, we thank thee. For blue of stream and blue of sky, for pleasant shade of branches high, for fragrant air and cooling breeze, for beauty of the blooming trees. Father in heaven, we thank thee.